Well, this definitely sucks, all this snow. I was really hoping that we were done with snow this year, but unfortunately, leave it to Wisconsin to bring you snow in April. Just leave it to Wisconsin. Good morning and welcome back to another episode, everybody. So today, you guys can see the John boat here, but that's actually not what we're doing today. We're going to put that into a different video, building out the John boat. So if you guys are looking forward to that video, we will be building out the John boat. I'm actually going to be doing some of that today, but it's going to be a separate video. So today, I got a new truck, guys. So today, we're going to be doing a tour of the new truck, show you guys what I bought, kind of the reasoning behind why I bought everything. Dude. Alright guys, welcome back. So before we start off the video and I start touring the truck, it is really bright outside, by the way. Hopefully all this sun melts off all of the snow here, because we got a bunch of sun. So if I'm squinting really bad, I'm sorry. I'm looking out at the bright snow that's reflecting back. But anyways, before I start this tour of the truck, a little reasoning behind why I bought the truck was I am going to be buying a 20-foot boat, bass boat next year. So I do want to have a little bit more pulling power, something that gets a little better gas mileage while pulling the boat, because you guys know from my videos that I fish a ton with the boat. So I definitely do a lot of driving during the spring and summertime. For fishing as well. But the other thing is that next year around when I buy my boat, my wife and I are also going to be purchasing a camper, and she wants a nice bigger camper, so definitely needed more pulling power for that. So that is the reasoning behind it all, guys, and without further ado, we are going to start the tour of the truck, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here you have it. Here it is. This is a 2009 Ford F-250. It's got a 6.4 power stroke in it as well. I did have brand new tires put on the truck while getting it. I still do have the old ones in here that I'm probably just going to sell, but I did want a nice all-terrain tire. But so the truck, what I like about this truck is I like that they have this kind of sprayed up, so I don't have to worry about rust right there. It does have a tonneau cover it on the back, which is nice. I didn't have that on my other truck, which I wish I did. But this is basically the truck, guys, and we'll go through it all here in a minute on the inside. Come around to this side. It is a little brighter over here, sorry guys. But yes, this is the rig itself. Super excited about it. Super excited about it. Now we'll go ahead and pop open the inside and show you guys the inside. I gotta unlock it first. Here we go. Into the truck. We have it, the inside of the truck here, so obviously steering wheel and all of your cluster gauge. I do like that it has a console in the middle. I'm a huge fan of that. I've just got an aux cord, a bunch of other stuff in there. I'm a huge fan of having a console in the middle rather than just a third, like another seat. I don't know why, I just really like having a console in the middle here. Jump up a little higher here. Truck, it's got, this was already installed in there when I got it. It does have a backup camera, so the screen has a nice backup camera that looks over the hitch, which is really nice. Got your tow, or if you got trailer brakes. This actually adjusts your pedals down here. Those things move up and down. Kind of weird, never had that before. Leather seats. It's got heated seats, guys. You can turn on the heated seats. It's still in pretty darn good shape, guys. And I do really like that. I have a crew cab, heated seats. It's leather seats. Not a huge fan of leather, but with the seat covers on, it's not too bad. So we'll pop open the back. This is the back, and then obviously car seat for Aria kind of deal, which I got to take that out and install a different one. This was left in there when I bought it. A little LED strip that I guess it's brand new. I looked at it. You can put it in the back. These seats do lift up, which is nice. Get it up, and then this actually folds out, and it kind of does that little deal when you put stuff in here, so it's kind of nice. It's not directly on your stuff, but that's pretty much the cab. And then this releases and the seats go down, and this also does pop down in here as well. So I guess if you're back here, you want that's there as well. But yes, so I guess since we're back here, guys, this is just the tonneau cover back here, tailgate obviously. Out of the truck, it has a sprayed-in bed liner, which is nice. You definitely want a sprayed-in bed liner so that you don't get any rust buildup there. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video, but I know that some people would be kind of questioning, hey, where's the old Ford? So I want to do a little video update you guys on the new truck that I got. It's a nice truck. Do enjoy it. Yes, just wanted to give you guys a little update video. It is super bright out, so I'm sorry if some of the footage is bright, and this video probably was decently quick, I hope. I always think that videos go quicker than, like I'm filming faster than what they actually are. So this video might be longer than what I think it is. But anyways, enough with me rambling. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. At 5,000 subscribers, we're doing a rod and reel giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, you got to subscribe so that you can be entered into the giveaway. Anywho's, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are rocking for trucks, if you got a truck, or whatever you are driving. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are driving. So I'd love to see it. And if you guys are looking forward to the John boat build, that video will be coming later this week. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep fishing hard.